There's got to be a better way.
Holly and Jack have come a long way since they decided to make a better vacuum cleaner. They've got a prototype, worked out how to cost and price it, and have decided who the customers are and the right places to reach them. But they still need to think about what they'll say to their potential customers to make them as excited about the new design as they are, and how they say it will matter too.
So, how are we going to make people as excited as we are about our cool new vacuum? We could show them a picture. They might think it looks cool, but are they going to go, wow, take my money?
It'd be nice if they did, but I think people might need a bit of convincing.
Your new hairdryer. There's zillions in the shops. What made you get this one in particular?
Well, there were adverts all over my favourite YouTuber's channel, so I knew about it ages ago. She was doing reviews with her friends. They tried out amazing new hairstyles. One of the girls looks a bit like me. I guess I could just see myself using it, and now I am.
So, getting people to want your product is all about getting them to imagine using it, seeing how it could be fun for them.
I mean, vacuum cleaner with wings is pretty eye-catching. And I think people would love to compete against each other to get the most slurps and use the app to log their scores. We can make viral video out of it flying about and get celebrities to battle each other on YouTube.
A slurp-off or a slurpathon. How cool would that be?
I love a good viral video. And we do want to get kids like us excited. We could try out our ideas with the kids at Taekwondo, although that's not gonna get adults on board. You know, the ones with the money.
Yeah, true. Mum finds silly videos annoying. She'd want to know about the technology and how it's going to help her. She likes having the most up-to-date stuff.
So we need to show practical stuff, like how it would solve the problem of getting kids to clean up around them. This is complicated.
The kids are right, but consumers need to be able to imagine using a new product and see how much fun it might be or how it could solve the problems they have. But consumers come in all shapes and sizes, and one size will not fit all.
So how do we get them to imagine using it? How do we show them?
I guess it's all about storytelling, getting them to use their imagination.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Oh, Mum, how about this for a sales idea? Imagine a house. Parents are nagging the kids to clean up. But when they look around, they see the kids have already done it, as their vacuum cleaner is so fun to use.
And because you get slurp points for the most vacuuming, kids would be keeping fit too.
Sounds like a dream.
Who's the actor you like? The one who plays the detective? Imagine if you saw him using it on his TV show.
It's set in Victorian times. Not sure that would work.
Okay, but what if you saw him using it in a reality TV show then? Would that make you interested?
What if we placed it in the local newspaper? Imagine the headline. Super Slurper success. How local kids smash the market. There could be a 2-page spread with all the details and about the Slurpathon.
We could use a massive billboard as you go into town. That'd get everyone's attention and people excited. Any of these convince you to buy one, Mum?
I'd hope I'd get a freebie if you guys were making them. But yes, I'd want to know about the technology, not just that it's fun to use.
So we could go for a viral video to get the kids excited.
And make sure adults see it promoted in all sorts of places. Like TV, the paper, and just out and about being used by people they know. So it's kind of like a story they want to be part of.
Holly and Jack are right that storytelling is at the heart of marketing a new product. Consumers are at the heart of any new product, and they'll need to be able to imagine themselves using it and seeing just how it will make a difference to their lives.
And then we'd have loads of parents all going off to buy it, happy to know they'll never have to do the vacuuming themselves ever again.
Have you decided where to sell the Super Slurper yet?
Well,
Bringing a new product to the market certainly can be hard work, but as long as Holly and Jack keep the consumer at the centre of the choices they make, their new design may well fly.
There's got to be a better way, with support from the UK's #1 vacuum cleaner brand Shark. Find out more at funkidslive.com/shark.